Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the heart. Thank you for the heart. For the rose. Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the rose. Oh my God. Thank you for the rose. Oh, there's a heart. Thank you for the heart. Thank you for the heart. Thank you for the rose. Enough na ha. This is my downfall.
Kasi ang dami ng nagsisend.
Maybe it's breaking news. Sorry if I got the lyrics wrong. Oh, there's a teddy bear. That's so cute. Pogi, Kylo. Oh my God. So guys, ano ba yung chika in life?
Picture po.
Kain. Guys, this is from Jarren. Hey, say thanks.
Hey guys, to all the, the Jarren official fan base, thank you po sa palibre naman dyan ng 24 chicken. Thank you.
Dito na sila kakain?
On behalf of Jarren din as well. Andito naman siya eh.
Oh, Jarren, what can you say about the Jarren people?
Hey guys.
Anyway, thank you po for the food po. No brands mentioned.
Yeah.
Sorry. Ay, picture. Sushi. Cat. Oh my God.
POV. Thank you for the rose.
Thank you for the rose.
Thank you for the rose.
Rain, shout out. Hi, Angelo. Oh. May nabasok pangalan eh. Jarf.
Yeah, let's eat there.
Oh my gosh, sushi. Thank you po, Jarren, because I have benefits too. Thank you po so much. Oh wait. Maraming salamat po. Thank you po. Thank you po so much. Oh, damn. Damn. Thank you po. Thank you po so much po. Bye-bye.
Thank you po. Nice to meet you.
Thank you po. Bye-bye. Oh my God, that's so cute. I wanna take a picture. Ay. Bye po. Good night. Thank you po.
2 years ha?
2 years.
Bilhin na pera nyo.
Ay.
Sana hindi nyo kami. Maraming salamat po. Ingat po.
Thank you po.
Enjoy guys.
Thank you po so much po.
Maraming salamat po. Ingat po kayo.
Thank you po. Thank you po.
Maraming salamat po.
Kamsahamnida.
Ako nga magla-live muna. Okay, so pasensya na ako naman.
Table is too small.
Live, good night. Okay, nagawa ko na naman po yung live ni Rain. Pakis. Mag-live po muna ako. Ay! Ako pa. Shoutout.
Oh my gosh.
ASMR. 24C.
Me. Oh, my turn. My sushi's gonna hulog na. Look at this huge sushi, guys. Oh my God. 1 bite challenge.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
I cannot.
Is there soy sauce for this?
Amen.
Ano to? Let's see if the JD is really as good as you say it is.
Oh my God, I'm sorry. Sarap.
Sarap.
Shout out Zamboanga City.
Great pizza.
Someone take over. Uy, yuck! Ayos, nahulog yung chicken niya sa shoes ko. Ayos ka talaga, Marcos.
Wala pang 5 minutes.
Ayos.
Ang gabo ng kulang lang.
Ay, sorry.
How to open? Saan tayo bukas?
Ano? Try something. BGC?
No.
Dito lang.
I thought you guys... Wait, was the call time ba? Was that for tomorrow? Bah,
What do you
can't
guys
go.
have tomorrow?
Why can't you go? Ay.
You can't go tomorrow.
Wait, what time?
Late pa naman yung bukas.
Ah, what time's yours?
Is it spicy?
Hindi. It's...
It is. What's spicy? Hey! Ooh.
Ito.
Sorry guys, I took a bite of this. Oh. Hey.
Kailangan nga dito.
Sorry tita, I love you.
Ay, sorry, bro.
Let's just eat sushi. Hindi pa tayo mapapahamak. Where's the sushi?
Bro, lamig kayo ba ito?
Wala, nawa lagi ang sushi. Kapaspas good.
Lamig kayo. Turo ko.
I guess we're doing.
Dapat.
Ano to, garlic?
Sushi guys, sushi. Tamanga! You know what? I'm gonna eat this muna, ha?
Yeah.
May mangga fell. Oh, they didn't eat the mangga. Napubulunan na ako dito. Ayos. We got a spicy one nga.
This is spicy.
Oh my god, I dropped the best part talaga, the manga. Oh my god. Pa-shout out. Paano kita isa-shout out kung yung pangalan mo ang hirap basahin? I'm kidding.
Can you leave this for me?
Kai, they're looking for you. They're looking for you.
Hey guys, another ASMR.
One each.
Tumupa si ate Camille ng baso.
Ah, where?
What's this?
I want to actually don't. Do you have sushi?
What's masarap?
No.
You guys heard that? Sarap no?
What's masarap?
Sushi.
What's sarap here?
Oh. Spicy ni bay.
Okay, thanks for telling me, Kevin. I love you.
Shout out sa Puakay.
Oh my god!
Shout out to Keith. Can you please... Hi Shine or Shane. Si Fiang, wala po dito si Fiang.
Shing, no, it's not Shing, it's Shongi.
It's Shane.
Come here, Shongi. Shongi, love, love.
Wait. There's more. Wait.
Oh my god.
Kaya na rin natin.
Wait.
Have you seen that trailer? I've actually missed out.
Bro. Guys, look at my outfit, guys. Hey. Cute. Amazing, no? Amazing. I'm sorry.
10 p.m.
10 p.m.?
Yeah.
Ba't ang late?
What is this?
That's
Kilawin good.
that's cheese. Ate Jess wanted cheese. Just put JD
Where's Ate Jess?
sauce on it.
Where's Ate Jess?
JD's the best.
Where's
I
Jasmine
wanted-
Helen?
I wanted
Uy.
JD.
I know. Really?
No, that's regular.
Okay, yung coke.
Where's the disc here?
Bye, masarap yun na. I actually don't like cheese. I don't know.
Bye, guys. We're gonna kain. Kasi I keep dropping na the food kasi. Bye-bye.
In the next episode.
Bye, guys. Bye-bye. Thank you po. Thank you po for everything. I love you all. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye, Keisha.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Mga puti. Apa din mga chips. Uy,
And
thank you po.
aakit na kayo later.
Paano mag-end, Ani? Bro, I'm such a boomer in here. How do you end this? How do you end?